soft glow of mother turning. Dream, dream, imagining you and me in the same